Theta value equivalent to 16.9143 rands a coin. The present cost range 16.6430 to 17.0518. The earlier day close 16.8439. The change was plus 0.0704, plus 0.42%. Reverse rate ZAR to Theta. Theta cost expectation for in the not so distant future and month. Theta cost expectation on Monday, May 29, cost 16.73 rands, high 17.90, low 15.56. Theta figure on Tuesday, May 30, cost 17.21 rands, high 18.41, low 16.01. Theta cost expectation on Wednesday, May 31, cost 17.25 rands, high 18.46, low 16.04. Theta figure on Thursday, June 1, cost 16.64 rands, high 17.80, low 15.48. Theta cost expectation on Friday, June 2, cost 16.81 rands, high 17.99, low 15.63. And multi-week Theta figure on Monday, June 5, cost 16.94 rands, high 18.13, low 15.75. Theta cost expectation on Tuesday, June 6, cost 16.29 rands, high 17.43, low 15.15. Theta figure on Wednesday, June 7, cost 16.02 rands, high 17.14, low 14.90. Theta cost expectation on Thursday, June 8, cost 16.01 rands, high 17.13, low 14.89. Theta figure on Friday, June 9, cost 15.50 rands, high 16.59, low 14.42. In about 14 days Theta cost forecast on Monday, June 12, cost 16.01 rands, high 17.13, low 14.89. Theta gauge on Tuesday, June 13, cost 16.25 rands, high 17.39, low 15.11. Theta cost forecast on Wednesday, June 14, cost 16.76 rands, high 17.93, low 15.59. Theta gauge on Thursday, June 15, cost 16.79 rands, high 17.97, low 15.61. Theta cost forecast on Friday, June 16, cost 16.58 rands, high 17.74, low 15.42. And 3 weeks Theta gauge on Monday, June 19, cost 17.08 rands, high 18.28, low 15.88. Theta cost forecast on Tuesday, June 20, cost 16.54 rands, high 17.70, low 15.38. Theta gauge on Wednesday, June 21, cost 16.79 rands, high 17.97, low 15.61. Theta cost forecast on Thursday, June 22, cost 16.93 rands, high 18.12, low 15.74. Theta figure on Friday, June 23, cost 16.10 rands, high 17.23, low 14.97. In about a month Theta cost expectation on Monday, June 26, cost 15.81 rands, high 16.92, low 14.70. Theta figure on Tuesday, June 27, cost 15.09 rands, high 16.15, low 14.03. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2026, and 2027. Theta cost expectation for May 2023. Exorbitant cost 22.08, while low cost 15.25. The found the middle value of cost 18.16. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 17.25. Change for May 4.5%. Theta gauge for June 2023. To start with cost at 17.25 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.07, while low cost 14.03. The found the middle value of cost 17.04. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 17.82. Change for June 3.3%. Theta cost expectation for July 2023. To start with cost at 17.82 rands. Exorbitant cost 18.59, while low cost 16.15. The found the middle value of cost 17.48. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 17.37. Change for July 2.5%. Theta gauge for August 2023. To start with cost at 17.37 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.37, while low cost 14.51. The found the middle value of cost 16.21. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 15.60. Change for August 10.2%. Theta cost expectation for September 2023. First and foremost cost at 15.60 rands. Exorbitant cost 19.24, while low cost 15.60. They found the middle value of cost 17.11. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 17.98. Change for September 15.3%. Theta estimate for October 2023. First and foremost cost at 17.98 rands. Exorbitant cost 22.32, while low cost 17.98. They found the middle value of cost 19.79. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 20.86. Change for October 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for November 2023. First and foremost cost at 20.86 rands. Exorbitant cost 20.86, while low cost 16.29. They found the middle value of cost 18.88. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 17.52. Change for November 16.0%. Theta estimate for December 2023. First and foremost cost at 17.52 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.52, while low cost 13.69. They found the middle value of cost 15.86. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.72. Change for December 16.0%. Theta cost expectation for January 2024. In the first place cost at 14.72 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.26, while low cost 14.72. They found the middle value of cost 15.71. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 16.13. Change for January 9.6%. Theta gauge for February 2024. In the first place cost at 16.13 rands. Exorbitant cost 16.99, while low cost 14.77. They found the middle value of cost 15.94. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 15.88. Change for February 1.5%. Theta cost expectation for WAC 2024. In the first place cost at 15.88 rands. Exorbitant cost 15.88, while low cost 13.18. They found the middle value of cost 14.78. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 14.17. Change for spring 10.8%. Theta gauge for April 2024. In the first place cost at 14.17 rands. Exorbitant cost 17.29, while low cost 14.17. They found the middle value of cost 15.45. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 16.16. Change for April 14.0%. Theta cost expectation for May 2024. Initially cost at 16.16 rands. Excessive cost 16.16, while low cost 14.00. He arrived at the midpoint of cost 15.34. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 15.05. Change for May 6.9%. ZAR to Theta conversion standard equivalent to 0.0591 coins per 1 rand. The present reach 0.05.